What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use FlexClip AI Image Generator, right? So you want to head over to flexclip.com, and then from the navigation options you want to choose AI, and then you'll find the AI Image Generator. So you want to go ahead and click that, and then you will be able to click the Generate Image button. This will take you right into the FlexClip editor. So what you want to do now, just simple click off this option where it says to import media, because you don't need to import a media. But here you will find the AI image generator. So you just want to write whatever you want your image to be. Just simple describe it, and then you'll be able to generate it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just write something really simple. So I'm going to just write angel on a horse. Right, angel on a horse. So I'm just going to write angel on a horse, and then I will just choose the ratio that I want. I'm going to leave it like this, and then I want to choose how I want it. If I want it to be like a digital painting, or I want something creative, or I want like an anime, or I want double exposure, or you can just simple click see all to see what are the different options, right? So they have 3D, they have more creative options that you can choose from: paper cut, futuristic, etc. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose futuristic here, and then I'm going to choose generate. Then it's going to ask me to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can easily do so by continuing with a Gmail or Facebook. So I'm going to choose Gmail here real quick, and then I'm going to click generate again. And here you can see the two options that it has given me. Now I can choose any one of these options, and if I don't like it, I can simply click regenerate. And again, I don't like any one of these options, I'm going to simply click regenerate. Now here you can see that it has given me two options, guys, and the second one look more like angel and ours. Now in order to put this onto my screen, I can just simply click the plus to add it to my scene, and now you see that it is added to the scene. So this is an interesting futuristic image of an angel and an horse, and I must say it looks really interesting there. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.